Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 27. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to design and run a paid 90-minute workshop that converts attendees into 8K plus retainers using AI prep, premium positioning, and a low-touch conversion sequence so you can attract better clients without sacrificing your travel schedule. Let's start with the problem. Long sales pipelines, low hourly rates, and a steady diet of tire kickers that burn your energy and ruin travel plans. You're trading time for small projects, juggling discovery calls that go nowhere, and wondering how other nomads consistently land high-value retainers. What if one focused 90-minute session could surface the right prospects and deliver clear proof of value? That single-ticketed workshop becomes your filter, your demo, and your short sales funnel all in one, designed to attract clients willing to invest $8K and up for predictable results. Here's the simple framework I want you to use today. Design, run, convert. Design the workshop so attendees get an immediate, measurable win. Run a paid, targeted session that filters serious buyers and demonstrates your skill. Convert with a low-touch proposal sequence that leans on the metric you proved during the session. Stick with that loop, iterate quickly, and you'll be surprised how many high-value retainers start with a low-effort workshop. Step 1. Design the workshop so it delivers one clear outcome. Think, increase paid conversions by X%, or generate Y dollars in pipeline in 30 days. Your job in 90 minutes is not to solve everything. It's to prove you can move one metric in a measurable way. Build a tight agenda. 0 to 10 minutes, outcome and credibility. 10 to 35 minutes, core framework and demo. 35 to 60 minutes, guided hands-on activity, where attendees apply the framework to a live example. 60 to 80 minutes, group results and live metric capture. 80 to 90 minutes, conversion pitch and next step. That activity is the conversion lever. When attendees see immediate improvement on a metric, they stop being strangers and start being qualified buyers. Use AI to shave prep time to 60 to 90 minutes. Example prompts you can use right now. Draft a 6-slide presentation that explains the X to Y framework for improving paid conversions. Include a 90-minute agenda and a 1-page workbook exercise with fill-in fields. Or create a gated workbook template with 3 diagnostic questions, space for metrics, and a template follow-up email that references the attendee's metric. Run those prompts, select what fits your voice, and tweak. The gated workbook is key. Require it to access the workbook download so you capture intent and contact details. That's your first filter. Step 2. Market and sell the seat. Keep it lightweight and intentioned. Price the ticket to filter. Typically, a $49 to $149 price point works well for 8K plus target retainers. The ticket price signals seriousness without putting the door closed. Use a 2-part launch, a small paid ad test, think $100 to $300, targeted to your niche, plus direct outreach to warm contacts and past clients. Copy swipe for a landing headline. 90 minutes to a measurable conversion lift. Join a hands-on workshop for growth teams. Include pre-qualification language. Limited to 20 seats. Best for founders and heads of marketing with monthly ad spends over 5K. Scarcity is honesty here. Limited seats because you run a hands-on exercise, not fake scarcity. That keeps the quality high. For outreach, use a simple 2-message sequence. 1. Short invite. I'm running a 90-minute workshop on X next week. Limited seats, $49. Think this would help your team? 2. Follow up with a social proof note. We ran this with company X and they saw a 12% lift in conversion from one change. Would you like a seat? Those messages move quickly. Test copy, track conversion to paid tickets, and iterate. If paid ads work, scale the ad budget slowly. Don't flood your calendar with low-intent signups. Step 3. Deliver to maximize perceived ROI and make the conversion step natural. Start the session by promising a single measurable outcome. During the hands-on portion, collect a 1-line metric from each attendee: projected monthly impact, current conversion rate, or estimated ad spend. Capture those in the gated workbook so you can reference them later. When you pitch, don't present a generic service. Say, based on your metric of X, here's a 90-day plan that would realistically deliver Y in additional revenue. Our retainer price to run that program is $9,000. Anchor the price to the projected ROI. Thanks, everyone. Quick next step for those who want results fast. I'll send a tailored 90-day plan and a clear ROI projection within 48 hours. If you want us to implement it, our retainer starts at $9,000 for the first quarter and guarantees X deliverable. Seats for onboarding this month are limited. Would you like me to prepare a personalized plan for you? That phrasing does three things. It creates urgency, ties price to outcome, and asks for a yes to a tangible next step. Receive a personalized plan. Follow up with a 48 72-hour AI-assisted sequence that converts. Sequence example: immediate thank you plus workbook link. 24-hour personalized recap that references the metric they entered and includes a short ROI estimate. 48-hour proposal email with a one-page plan and a clear scheduling link for a 20-minute alignment call. Use AI to draft the personalized recap and proposal bullet points, then humanize and send. Limit the sequence to 3 touches so you're low effort but high precision. Scale without burning out by automating and delegating. Automate slide and workbook generation with templates and AI prompts. Delegate onboarding calls to a trained associate once you have repeatable scripts. Batch workshops. Run 2 identical sessions per month instead of 1 every week, then reuse the recording for paid follow-ups. Protect your energy by limiting live facilitation to a set number per month and charging premium for live small cohorts. Remember, charge what you're worth and build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. A quick real Nomad example. Jenna, a freelance growth consultant, sold a $49 workshop to 20 attendees, $980 in ticket revenue. She converted 2 attendees into 9K retainers within a week after the workshop, bringing in $18,000. After ad and tool costs, her margin was strong, and because she used AI to prepare slides and a template workbook, she spent under 4 hours prepping the session. Jenna now runs 1 workshop a month, converts predictably, and keeps 2 weeks per month free for travel. That's the leverage you want. Immediate action step. This week, outline your workshop and create the gated workbook. Set a 90-minute agenda. Pick the single metric you'll prove and run 1 AI prompt to generate slides and the workbook. Book 1 paid test session, price it to filter, and commit to the 3 email follow-up sequence. That single experiment will tell you more in 1 week than a month of cold outreach. If you want templates, scripts, and the exact AI prompts I use to build the slides and follow-ups, I've bundled everything into a workshop course pack that includes ready-to-use workbooks, landing page copy swipes, and a follow-up automation blueprint. Check the show notes for the link to Enroll. Take 1 action this week, outline the workshop, and build that gated workbook, and you'll have momentum. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take 1 action this week and start seeing results. Your skills are your freedom currency.